Hello YouTubers. Today we're going to be working on Google Wi-Fi. I went ahead and purchased a renewed Google Wi-Fi product from Amazon. So let's take a look. Part of this will be to show you what does a renewed Wi-Fi product from Amazon look like. First of all, this is a plain white box. There's absolutely nothing on it, no writing, nothing at all on it. We'll open it up, and inside the box, it just says "Let's get started," and it's pretty basic information. So that's the entire sheet on "Let's get started." There's also this, which is, hi there, it's your new, like new, Amazon renewed device. So it explains what a renewed device is from Amazon. Next, we'll take this out. This will be an Ethernet cable, as you can see here. And I will be using an Ethernet cable, of course, at least one of these for my Wi-Fi hotspot. I'm going to be doing this in a 1,100 square foot facility with about 4 different rooms that are walled off, so we'll see how this works. Here is the power cord. So this is the plug. This is an extremely long cord, and it is a USB-C, as you can see here. So we have those 2 items. Let's take this out. This is the last item in the box. Box is now empty. And the last item is the actual Wi-Fi. I'm going to use their Home app, the Google Home app. This is replacing a TP-Link product that was co-authored, co-sponsored by Google. It failed, so hopefully this won't have the same results. So here we go. I know it's an older product. It's been updated over and over. And let's take a look at what we have here. So underneath we have where the USB-C goes, which is right there. We have 2 Ethernet ports here. And I'm assuming one's going to be for in and one will be for out. And it's as simple as that. This would probably be either a, there's no other documentation. So this is either a reset or more likely just, I don't even know what it is. It could be on off. So there we go. That is our Google Wi-Fi. And we're going to go ahead and set it up, and we'll see what the Home app looks like with this. All right, so this is as simple as it could be. It says plug in the Wi-Fi point, which is this. Connect it to your modem with an Ethernet cable. Download the Google Home app, which I'm going to show you in a second, from the Play Store or Apple App Store. So let's take a look at that. So this is the Home app here. And so I do have it, and let's see how it works. Here's where we're going to plug it in. This is my ATT modem, so I'm going to go ahead and plug it into here, and let's. And I'm also going to, of course, plug it into the. I have a UPS that I'm going to plug it into. All right, so here is our friend, the Google Point, the Google Wi-Fi. I've plugged in my cable. I'm going to go ahead and plug this in here to this UPS behind it. And I'm even going to let you watch me do this. I have plugged it in to my UPS back there. You can see a blue light. Let me read you the directions again. 1, plug it in. Connect it to your modem with an Ethernet cable. So on the bottom of the Ethernet cable, I just have this. So I'm not quite sure where to plug it into other than because of the globe there. Let's guess that that's the internet. We are plugged in. and I'll clean up those wires when we're done, but in the meantime you can see the flashing blue light. So now I'm going to head over to Google Home. Alright, so there's no directions with this, so let's see if we can get this set up. I'm going to do from home I did add, so I'm going to add to home. I think I'm going to do set up device, new device. I'll use new device. So it's looking for devices, and let's see if it finds our new, and it found Google Wi-Fi. Would you like to set up this device? And of course the answer is yes. Oh, so I now have to go back and scan the QR code. I scanned the QR code. It gave me a check mark and said it's been found. I have some additional terms. Where is the device? And let's see, where should I put this? One moment. Alright, so I said I was going to put it in the living room. Wants me to create a Wi-Fi name, which I've gone ahead and put in. So I did create a Wi-Fi name, which I think is usually called the SSID. Now I'm going to go ahead and provide a password. I've now put in a password, and I do want to keep what I have because of everything that is connected to it. Turn on Wi-Fi router and point user stats. Yes, I'm in. Turn on Nest Wi-Fi cloud services, and let me read the privacy. So it's now setting up my Wi-Fi network. I'll be back. You have an option here to save your Wi-Fi network to your phone. I might do that, but I also have LastPass, and so I save all my stuff to that. So it's finalizing my network. Want to set up another Wi-Fi? No. Stay in the know, stay up to date on Google's hardware products and features. I already do this. Your Wi-Fi is ready. Here's a review of what you've done. So here I go. It says my Wi-Fi is ready. Continue. And so my network is all set, and I am going to go test it. Here's the app as you could see it on my Android phone, and this is the Google Home application, and you can see what it shows me here. And so I think what I'll do is I'll go to Wi-Fi, and the Wi-Fi shows a lot of information. You can see all the green dots, meaning those are all set up. The internet, you can see I have 17 devices connected via Wi-Fi. We'll take a look at what all the devices are. In some cases I have to go and rename them, but there are all my devices that are connected via Wi-Fi. And there is the Google Wi-Fi router that also shows up, as you can see. And this is showing you how it's doing. I'm going to run a speed test. You can see I was at 353 down and 122 up. So one of the options you have is it allows you to run a speed test, and I recommend you do it from time to time. I've even done this remotely. And so as you can see, first it did the download, now the upload. Current speed I'm getting is 360 down and 122 up. So that is great news. I'm happy to have that. And again, you could see here the activity that we're getting. It gives you a lot of information, a lot of detail, the amount of data that you're using. So it's pretty comprehensive in the information that it does show. I do use it a lot. I also have a Google Mesh system, Nest mesh system. So here are my devices again. Now back to the speed and the activity. So I highly recommend that you continue from time to time to look at the statistics that you're getting. There's a lot of information that's available on this Google Home app. So I wish you all the best of luck, and I am using my Google Wi-Fi.